very good afternoon, everyone. No, this is not the late start. Okay, actually, we did not wake up late. We had woken up early in the morning, but after that, we went for Kashi Vishwanath temple. We explored it. We had been there, and after that, we continued to have the Annapurna food, which is provided by the Devasthan itself. I mean, as a prasad, we had that for our lunch. Currently, we are moving for BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University, and explore a little bit of Varanasi today because we have flight for Bangalore tomorrow. I have no idea how the itinerary is going to be again. Oh, no idea, like really no idea. I guess first it would be BHU, then later that I guess we might go for Arsighat. Arsighat is near to BHU. I'm experiencing the battery operated rickshaw for the first time, and the power is nice. I mean, it is picking up like 4 people very easily, but due to the suspension, the potholes are a bit hard to your back, like really hard. The auto guy made us to get down into the gate and told us like he is not allowed to get inside. I'm not really sure whether he told truth or like he scammed us, but from the entry we checked, it is like 1.5 kilometers to reach the center, and we decided not to like take any auto or like take any hand rickshaw because we wanted to explore. And I guess we are going to walk. The Google Maps is showing me like 22 minutes of walk, so I guess it's all right to walk 22 minutes. I know it is like sunny, but we need to sacrifice it for one day in order to explore a lot of things. So what happened was we were just walking and we figured out that there is no main building or such like that. So there are multiple faculties such as law faculty. There are multiple buildings such as law building, arts, medical, something like that. And apparently we found one building which looks nice. We're just going to go there, explore a little bit. I mean, the campus is really good. It's filled with trees, like filled with trees. There are students who are using cycles. One of the best way to utilize, I mean, it's shade, they can use cycles. And like look at here, everyone around here uses cycles. So we are going into one university building. I have no idea which faculty is that. I mean, it's a good building, like a little bit of greenery and grass here. Students are sitting enjoying the peace time. Let's see. once you enter, they give you a type of milk which is you can resemble it to the rasmalai milk. Now we are tasting lassi. I had a spoon of it, and even this is nice. The malai will cost you 30 bucks, and this lassi will cost you 50 bucks each. The shop which we are trying is called as Pahalwan Lassi. Maybe it's famous for that. This was stopped by our rickshaw guy. He told us, he suggested us this, and apparently it is really nice. This one is really nice. Trust me. Come here, have a taste. It is worth 50 rupees. Trust me on this. Okay, so while we were busy having our very good lassi, our rickshaw driver drove us to Assi Ghat, and apparently in 5 minutes from BHU we are here. Like, have a look. It's really nice. The lassi made me full AF. Like, really, I'm very full. But yeah, hey, there's a place to sit. It's shady, nice river, good place. Also, Aarti do take place here, so I guess it will be a similar type of, not really sure, but it do take place at this place. Is apparently throwing magnets and trying to find coins if he could. Apparently it's completely sand, and I have kept my shoes over there, and the view which you see, boy oh boy, that is amazing. That's our boat struggling to get down, but yes, for 40 bucks, boy, this is an amazing worth that you can ever get. Trust me. I mean, there are ATV rides available, there are horse riding available, there is camel ride available. I have no information about the prices yet, but let's see if I can get you some information on that. Also, my mom had been to Rameshwaram like 6 months or like 1 year before, and they got the sand from the Rameshwaram, and they say it is some kind of ritual that you need to get the sand from the Rameshwaram and leave it in Varanasi. I'm not really sure about that, don't quote me on that, but that's something which they told me, and they are going to leave it once we are in the middle of the river. So yeah, a good piece of information just in case if you don't know about it. You can go and ask your parents about what is done, get to know about everything, how it's done, what it's done and what's not. And you can get the horse ride, I mean, for 20 bucks. Maybe they can go less, but yeah, 20 bucks is fine. Initially they started from 150. I'm like, what the heck guys, 150 bucks for a horse ride, bhai sahab kya chal raha hai? So again, my uncle and auntie's bargaining skill brought down to 20. That's how swag rule they live on. I'm not really sure about the ATV and the camel ride. Camel ride might be similar, but ATV might charge you like 50 bucks. But I guess the problem with the ATV is they don't let you to drive. Apparently they just sit on back and they give the accelerator on that, so you don't get that feeling, that torque in order to like push yourself hard and like enjoy what the ATV power is like. I tried north side momos for the first time, and boy oh boy, it's nice. I mean, the momos is same, but the chutney that you eat it with, it makes the taste. Trust me, it makes the taste. I got paneer momos half for 20 bucks. You get 5 for 20 bucks. So this is tandoori paneer momos, costed 40 bucks. I'm tasting this for the first time. I have no idea how this is going to be. A little bit of red chutney, a little bit of green, little bit of mayonnaise, and combination of all three. It's freaking hot. I don't know if Varanasi is a place of Holi, but trust me, it's the place of food, guys. You get a lot of things here, and precisely the momos, lovely. How much? It's 7:54. We rested like 1 hour. We are back again. My mom is there. I guess we are moving to buy some traditional clothes for myself. But there is something big coming up on April, so stay tuned for that. 450. But when you choose this one, you get the bottom as well. And if you don't need the bottom, you get 125 discount. So yeah, these two are the Varanasi shopping. Yep. Okay. That's all?
No, it's all.
Okay. So it is 10:09 right now, and we had our dinner. I didn't want to shoot that because I was having a good family moment. That's the reason. Tomorrow we are leaving Varanasi. This will be the last vlog of our particular travel. There will be soon much more videos coming, interesting videos coming on April and March, or maybe April and May. So stay tuned for that. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please do hit a like, comment down below if you have any kind of questions. Also check out description for more and more videos. Thanks so much for watching. I love your faces. Bye bye now.